Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hoping a fantastic day. Quick look here again at MYRO, seeing what's going on. It's selling off pretty good, and I just want to say thank you to the 2 thumbs down I got on my video from yesterday from MYRO. Both of those people were trolls, being very upset with me saying the price is going to pull back for this coin. So if you're here for a biased opinion and kind of an idiotic review of a coin, you're probably in the wrong place, okay? Because I just like to shoot you straight and tell you how it is. And honestly, this coin's exuding a lot of bearish behavior. So we just kind of got to acknowledge that and just be realistic that the price action is more likely to continue down than it is up. But there's some key level supports and resistances we want to talk about too. So just friendly advice, not a financial advisor, love to teach people to trade. And again, if you want just candid, open, honest, direct, straightforward approach, I'm your guy. All right, so what we want to do here really quick, we'll go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. Oh, quick congrats to our community members. We had some traders that were shorting this coin, so congrats on that. I'm super happy that worked out well for you. We also got some nice positions here from our premium group. VeChain 316% in 4 months. I don't mind waiting that long for that kind of profit. We got a Bitcoin short. We've hit our first target, likely to hit our second one here soon. We also took some monster profit. Cardano, Chainlink, ETH, what was it? Solana, AVAX, Link, Solana. So it's a pretty good day here for us, folks. So congrats again. Thanks again so much for the positive feedback there. Again, everyone in MYRO's community has been, minus the exception, for the most part, everyone's doing pretty awesome. And I've seen a lot of support for your group. So thank you. Deeply appreciate that. We can see the 50-day SMA here holding pretty strong. That's kind of one of the main things I was talking about yesterday, getting rejected by that 10-cent mark. So even though the price shot up pretty good, we still didn't get a candlestick closure above that level, and it's important to do that. We can see stochastic RSI swinging down here. We're now below 50 in the RSI. We spent one trading day above 50 in the RSI, but money flow index is high. So keep in mind, high MFI generally means the price action should sustain itself. I don't think we're going to see the 5-cent range retested, but I do think we could see a little bit further downside to maybe this most recent local support at 7.8. Okay? We'll look at smaller time frames to identify this, but we do have a MACD convergence too. So truth is there's some conflicting information. We got our faster moving average with our stochastic RSI swinging down, but yet our traditional MACD is letting us know we're in an uptrend. Truth is the uptrend it's going to take a lot to invalidate this uptrend. So there's no doubt that the price is doing well. Okay, but today being a bearish engulfing candle so far, getting rejected by the 50-day SMA, we need to see how that 20-day SMA is going to hold. Okay. Again, this is just the macro, not the most telling. It just kind of gives us, it lays a foundation of understanding where we're at. And right now, we're kind of in this conflicted place, right? This in between. So what does that mean for us here on the 4-hour? Well, if we're taking a look here at the 4-hour, we can see this 0.5 fib at about 8.6, holding tentatively for the moment. But if we do close at this level or lower, we're going to be under the 20-day SMA in the 4-hour too, letting us know we've kind of broken bearish, for lack of better terms. 4-hour MACD is diverging too. This is never a good sign. And then, of course, the last line of defense here is the 50 on the RSI, potentially holding, but we don't even know, it hasn't tested yet. It's just trending right straight towards that. So will we get a bounce or a pivot here? Let's see. Daily sequential, we're at a 6. We really got probably another 12 to 24 hours of continuation of the downside before the price can essentially stop coming down. So truth be told here that this is not a good situation at all. All that bullish momentum here from recent is now fizzled out and effectively kind of giving us this strong reset button. Okay, so again, money flow index is still fairly high. We're over 50 in the RSI. Those are some positive factors, but is it positive enough to take a long position right now? Absolutely not. No, you don't try to catch a falling knife, and I don't know what the inverse is either, but when the price is shooting to the moon, you don't try to do that either, okay? You wait for confirmation. Right now, we have a lot of conflicting information on multiple time frames. Hourly time frame is likely to be breaking bearish, this is more so a confirming factor for shorts. Basically, roll with me here. Lagging spans free and clear, letting us know we have firm indication that the price action is likely to continue lower. We also have conversion line below the baseline, significant amount of momentum. We are descending this trend here. We haven't tried to even retest it yet. Furthermore, we're below the cloud tentatively. Okay, now this isn't a guarantee, but if the price stays where it's at for the next 4 to 6 hours, cannot break through this descending trend line, we're going to probably see the likelihood of the price continuing lower. Because again, for a trend reversal to occur, you need to establish range-bound activity. We have done that, but it's a very tight range, and we keep retesting the lower range. So the more often you retest the lower range, the more likely it is to break. Okay. So my anticipation is this next level, fib 0.618, 7.8 cents. We could very well see a correction down to that level here in the near future, maybe another 5 to 10% further down, and then the price could recover from there. Is it guaranteed to do that? No, but we've wicked down, we've closed what we're soon to close in 15 seconds here, right there at the below the most recent low. Okay, so generally speaking, this is at best a double bottom. And I do not like double bottoms or tops personally. I don't like to trade them because again, you're retesting those key level supports, and oftentimes, unless the market can shift and Bitcoin can recover, then I think we're going to be in a position where the price is going to continue lower for MYRO. Again, that's just kind of what we're looking at there. And again, if you want to thumbs down the video because of that, and you don't like the fact that I'm saying that your favorite coin is going to drop, you're in the wrong industry, folks. This is not the industry to be attaching yourself emotionally to any type of bias. Never attach yourself to the thought process of something consistently always going down and or the inverse. I mean, people in my community and outside of my community, some people, just generally speaking, I saw this happen a lot. They shorted Bitcoin at 43,000. While we took a long at 43,000, hit our target at 52,000 even. It was one of those scenarios where a lot of people got destroyed and wrecked here. Okay, so again, just quick little heads up here. There we go. Bitcoin 86%, 12 days. That was a trade we took from 43 to 52. I'm saying that because we didn't attach ourselves to a bias that the price is either long or short. We were using the data based on what it told us that day, and we consistently stayed in the trade because Bitcoin is exuding bullish behavior. MYRO is exuding bearish behavior, okay, with some conflicting information on a larger time frame. So I would honestly just steer clear of this right now. But in a few hours, we should have confirmation that a bearish type of divergence has formed, and the likelihood of the price going down is greater than the price going up. Okay, so again, just let the charts speak to you, folks. That's all you gotta do. Try not to think about how amazing something is, because I've seen phenomenal projects that just have terrible charts. Just the way it goes. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Oh, last but not least, MYRO is being added to Bitunix here in the next couple weeks. They are adding like 200 extra trading pairs. So prepare yourself. Link down below, criticalcash.tech if you want to join my trading community. But more important, no KYC or VPN required for this exchange. They are phenomenal. They do very well. And it's our favorite for our community. And if you register, you'll be eligible for our trading competitions. Our first one here at the end of the month is actually a $10,000 prize pool. So pretty cool stuff. Check that out in your own time, folks. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.